Alright family, today's video is going to be a shop with me video. I do a lot of home decor videos, but I don't really take you guys shopping with me, so I just wanted to do that today. It is about 12:10. I know it's kind of late. I actually wanted to go earlier, but I had a lot of stuff to do this morning, especially with work and stuff. I hope you guys can hear me with this on. I'm actually at the Starbucks drive-through. I really like their refresher drinks, and I don't really like black coffee at Starbucks, so I normally go with their iced coffee or their fruit refreshers. So today I'm actually going to be getting the fruit refresher, and I have to go through the drive-through, and Corona is still very serious, so I just like to put my mask on when I do that. But anyways, like I said, I wanted to go a little earlier, but I just had a whole bunch of stuff to do this morning, so I didn't really get to go as early as I wanted to, but it's fine. I mean, anytime I go shopping is a good time. So if you guys are wondering about my outfits, I just got this high-waisted like dress-up pants on, and I have this tube top. I have this like tan-ish blazer, and then just a simple necklace. As you can see, I literally only did half of my makeup, barely. So so yes, that's what I look like. And then I just have my bag there. And yeah,
we've got strawberry acai, mango dragon fruit, very hibiscus. You want the mango?
Yeah, I want the mango dragon fruit.
Okay, we'll take care of that for you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
So I ended up getting my drink, and I always get a few pumps of classic sweetener just to make it a little sweeter, because sometimes when you get a large cup like this, it's usually not sweet. And this thing is expensive too, y'all. This is like $5, but it's definitely not an everyday thing. So I just like to do it once in a while when I really feel like I need a caffeine fix. And I always like to get a large cup of water as well, just because coffee makes me pee a lot. It makes everybody pee a lot, and it ends up making me thirsty. So I always like to get water with my coffee, and the water usually is free. So if you didn't know that, you can get a large cup of ice water for free. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my seatbelt on. I'm gonna get on the highway, and I'll see you guys in a minute. I just wanted to go pick out a few stuff for the fall, and the exciting part is that a restoration hardware store literally just opened up in my city, and I am dying to go see it. I've only ever went to their website, which, by the way, this store is not for you and I. This is a very expensive store. If you buy just one thing in there, it's gonna cost you a lot of money, like a lot of money. I have like maybe 1 or 2 pieces in my house from Restoration Hardware. I'm not all about the price tag. You guys know that I'm very frugal, and if I can get a bed from, let's say, Ashley Furniture or any other good furniture store for $1,000 versus Restoration Hardware for $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, I'm getting the cheaper one, okay? It's just a bet. But it is nice to go in there and get inspiration. And I just wanted to take you guys in there a little bit, and then we can go do our actual shopping. So I'm gonna show you guys the store actually. That is the store over there. The gray one right there, that one. The first two are furniture, so like bedroom, dining room, living room, office, bathroom, just everything. And then the third one is a restaurant. So it's actually nice to go there and eat as well. If you just want a beautiful, you know, inspirational atmosphere to eat at, that is a great place to go. So yeah, we've actually gone there once or twice, and the food is not that bad. It's not, for me, it's really not for the food. It's just for, you know, just to hang out and, you know, feel important, I guess. But yes, the furniture is another story, but I want to take you guys in there so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So you guys, the first 2 floors are all furniture, but this floor, this entire floor The rooms are just set up like regular rooms would be. So this is a bedroom with a nice king size bed. A beautiful art piece here. That's a living room. And the lights, guys, the chandeliers in here, they're so beautiful. And they go, oh my God. I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as I can. I don't know if I'm allowed to have cameras in here, but it is gorgeous, like so gorgeous. Look at this one. Look at that, so beautiful. Wow, look at these setups. Family, I am here at HomeGoods. I don't know if you can see. Let me try to do the sign. That's Marshals, and this one right here is HomeGoods. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys, but yes, I am here at HomeGoods. I have my mask back on. I'm gonna just grab my purse and see. There used to be a really long line, but from what I can see, there is no line, so that's a good thing. So I'm just gonna grab my purse, go in there and see what they have. So you guys, I am back from HomeGoods. I did find a few things that I really like and that I'm really happy about. So I've always wanted to change my dining chairs, not because there's anything wrong with it, only because it doesn't really, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really match the aesthetics of what I'm going for. I wanted something a little bigger and a little wider, but our current one is the perfect color. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the size is a little small and it's a little skinnier, so it doesn't look as grand as I want it to be. And I have been looking for these dining chairs for the longest time. I've checked Amazon, I've checked Wayfair, I've checked all the local furniture stores, and they are really expensive. I was actually thinking about just, you know, going with the ones on Wayfair, and like I said, they're expensive. It would have cost me at least $250 for each one, so for 4 of them it would have cost me at least $1,000. The next thing I did find was a beautiful wall art for our master bedroom. So I'm actually working on the master bedroom. We've already ordered our furniture and you guys are gonna get to see that, but it's beautiful. It's a king size bed with matching nightstands and a dresser and I think the mirror, but it was exactly what I wanted. I wanted something you know, with fabric. I wanted something with a little bit of wood. I wanted something that was either tan, gray, or, you know, like an off-white color. You guys are gonna get to see it. It's absolutely beautiful. But anyways, it's gonna take about 2 months before we get it, but in the meantime, I'm just picking out the accessories for it so that when it gets here, I'll just put everything together so I can show you guys. I'm loving decorating my house, you guys. This is like one of my favorite things to do, and I love the fact that I'm able to share it with you guys because a lot of you guys get inspiration from it as well. So I am done with HomeGoods. I did go to Marshals, but they don't have anything in there. Like the whole store is basically empty. There's like nobody in there. So there is a Ross right next door, and that's where I'm going. I don't know if you can see it from here, but that's it in the back there. But yeah, that's where I'm about to go. I'm just gonna go in there and see if I can find anything else. I still am looking for my fall home decor pieces. So if I do find anything, I'll pick it out, but I'm trying my best not to spend any more money or just, you know, buy stuff that I don't really need, because that can be kind of wasteful, and that's very easy to do. So I'm gonna try not to do that. I'm gonna try to keep my eyes on the price, and yeah, so let's go to Ross. Guys, there is literally nothing in here, y'all. All the shelves are empty. Like, look at this. There is like a few things spread out throughout, but there is nothing in here. See this? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I do like this. It's beautiful. It's $14. It's very nice. And that's about it. So blanket is a queen. 3-piece queen. I wish it was a king. That would have been nice. Another aisle with nothing. Their lamps, again, nothing. Wow. Oh, these are cute. $11.99. You guys, I just left Ross. There is nothing, absolutely nothing there. So that was a waste of time. So now let's go to our next stop. So I've been keeping my drink in the car just because I can't drink it in the stores anywhere because I can't take my mask off. So I've just been keeping it in here, and I still have a pretty good amount left. I still have my water, but right after I'm done drinking this, I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto my water. And I really don't get hungry in the morning. I start getting hungry around, like, I want to say 2, 3, and then coffee curbs my appetite as well. So yeah, anyways, let's get out of here. So guys, I ended up coming to TJ Maxx. Look at this top. It doesn't really look that cute, but it's super cute. So these are what they have. I love these little black pumpkins. They're like velvet. I like the darker gold here and then the more shiny gold, but that one is definitely broken. And then they have other cute pieces here. These are really nice. Yeah, these are real nice. This is only $12. I really like that. I kind of like these ones too. This one says the grapefruit. Oops. This is $9.99. I think I'm gonna get this one. Alright. These are all the pillows they have. Not much. All the stores are so empty. I don't know what's going on, but they're all empty. I just want one really cute pillow for the fall. That's it. This is $27. Nah, that's too much. There is really nothing here, y'all. Like, all the stores are empty. I don't know what's going on with that, but they are all empty. So you guys, I ended up coming to At Home. That is At Home right there. My favorite store, my all-time favorite store. I got a whole bunch of stuff, as you can see here. I got some pillows, I got some fancy stuff. I got some more stuff over here. And I also got this beautiful gray rug. So what I'm gonna do is, I gotta put this stuff back in the car. I'm actually going to do a fall decorate with me video, so you guys are gonna get to see all this stuff, these as well. And yeah, I've been out all day. I'm so tired. I've gone to basically every single store that you can think of, so I'm getting ready to go home. I'm super excited to show you guys all the stuff that I got. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one.